Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing how to resolve this issue you might have when trying to change your Windows Smart Screen settings. You might get this notification saying the setting is managed by your system administrator. Windows Smart Screen can help keep your PC safer by warning you before running unrecognized apps and files downloaded from the internet. So if all these options are grayed out, I'm going to be walking you guys through how to hopefully resolve this issue. So the first thing we're going to do is close out of all of this. Then we're going to head back to Start menu. Going to type in Run. Now what we're going to do is type in gp edit.msc, and then you're going to hit Enter on your keyboard or left click on OK. Doesn't really matter. Okay, so underneath Computer Configuration, left click on the little drop down arrow on the left side of Administrative Templates, and then left click on the little arrow next to Windows Components. Left click on the File Explorer folder here, just left click on it. And then on the right side here, there should be a setting that says Configure Windows Smart Screen. Double click on it. Set it to Disabled. And then left click on Apply and OK. And then you can close out of the local group policy editor. Now if we try and open up our Smart Screen settings again, now we have our options and they're not grayed out. So at this point you can select whatever you were trying to do before, and hopefully you should be good to go. So I hope this brief tutorial helped you guys out, and I will catch you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.